Can hard water damage whole house humidifiers? Yes, hard water can cause mineral buildup that reduces performance, clogs parts, creates leaks, and shortens the humidifier's service life. Hard water contains dissolved minerals, mainly calcium and magnesium, that remain behind when water moves through the humidifier. In a flow-through model, water wets a water panel and warm air picks up moisture as it passes over that panel. Over time, the minerals can coat the panel, block the drain, restrict the water valve, or collect inside the small water line. A clogged drain is especially important because water may back up and damage nearby furnace parts or the floor. Some humidifiers use a replaceable water panel that is meant to collect minerals, so replacing it according to the manufacturer's schedule is not just optional maintenance. Reservoir-style units can grow slime or spread mineral dust if the tank is not emptied and cleaned regularly. An interesting detail is that many whole-house humidifiers do not boil water, so they do not remove those minerals before releasing moisture. Check the panel, drain tube, and water flow at least once each heating season, and ask a qualified technician whether a water filter or a different humidifier type fits your water quality. One common mistake is assuming that a humidifier labeled automatic never needs care, so inspect and replace its water panel as recommended. Another mistake is pouring vinegar, bleach, or a descaling product into the unit without checking the instructions, so use only an approved cleaner and never mix cleaning chemicals. People also sometimes lower the humidity too far to avoid damage, but overly dry air can cause static, cracked wood, and irritated skin, so use a humidity control and keep indoor humidity near the manufacturer's suggested range. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.